Hello buddies, welcome to the Information Security Newspaper. I am Miguel. Hey guys, I want you to please subscribe in the channel because you will keep in touch with the most recent cybersecurity news, and also you can follow us on our social media networks. So let's get started. Well, the United States government will now use old technology in the power grids instead of the new technology that it can be hacked. Well, different countries have been trying to hack the electric control systems for years, and well, solving this is a challenge because they were not originally meant to be connected to the internet. With this in mind, the United States has responded with a new strategy. Rather than bringing in new technology and skills, they will use analog and manual technology to isolate the grid's most important control systems of the country. And of course, to avoid that the most sophisticated cyber adversaries access to their grids. So by reverting back to manual controls and removing automatization, there will be consequences on the consumption of the power grid, and of course more humans will be required to operate the machines, but it is a viable plan. So if this plan is approved, a 2-year test will be set up to study power grid operations and of course to identify new possible vulnerabilities. Remember, the United States and the United Kingdom have been warning recently that the attacks on power grids are increasing and that the enemies have the ability now to seriously affect those countries. And of course, it is known that Russia is one of the most dangerous nations because of their hacking and espionage skills. But also recently, China, North Korea, and Iran also have performed cyber attacks that are increasing concern in the United States. Okay, so China forces all the tourists to install a spyware application on their smartphones. Well, that's right guys. In China, the border authorities of the city Xinjiang can actually force you to install a spy application. And well, as you know, China is a country in which surveillance is constant, and they even make use of facial recognition systems because technology has become a fundamental ally of the communist country. So, this spyware program, which is essentially a malware, it is installed on tourist phones when they are temporarily requested at the border. And well, between other things, the program can access contacts, messages, calls, and the calendar, and all that information is sent to other servers inside the country. Well, apparently, this privacy violation practice is because the Chinese government seeks any content related to Islam, but also any other information of people who profess this religion. Well, Maja Wang, one of the human rights experts in China, says that the Chinese government often confuses religion activities with terrorism. So guys, now you know. Be careful if you are planning to visit China, specifically in the Xinjiang city. Guys, that was it. I hope you enjoyed these topics. Hey, if you want to get more information, you know what to do. You can follow us on our social media. And guys, if you got any comments or suggestions, please write them down. So see you in the next one.